Hello everyone. During the hot summers, we love and enjoy some nice, cool, refreshing drinks. And today I'm going to show you the most popular ginger ale. So let's get started and check out the recipe. For the ginger ale, I've taken about 300 grams of ginger. So make sure you wash it nicely, peel it and keep it aside. Make sure the ginger is nice and fresh. You don't want it too dry. So next we're going to make the ginger ale. Take a saucepan. To this add 5 cups of water. Now this is a 250 ml cup. To this I'm going to add 2 cups of freshly chopped ginger. Now you can just roughly chop it. So you're going to boil this for about 15 minutes. So you can see the ginger has been boiling in the water for about 15 minutes now, and it's got to this lovely, nice dark brown color. Turn off the stove. I'm going to strain this into a bowl. Transfer the strained ginger water to the same pot. To this I'm going to add 2 cups of sugar. Place the pot on the stove. Now I'm going to boil this water till it reduces to a nice thick syrupy consistency. So you can see it's reduced beautifully, it's become nice and thick and syrupy. So now is a good time to turn off the stove and cool the thick syrup. Bring it to a nice room temperature. Once the ginger syrup is cooled down, bottle it and you can refrigerate it and use it for about a month. So I'm going to use this ginger syrup to make the ginger ale. Pour a little bit of the syrup. Then add the juice of 1 lemon. Add a few lemon slices. Just bruise the mint leaves a little bit. This brings out the mild flavors of the mint. Add the ice cubes. So now I'm going to pour the cold soda. So there you go, here is this absolutely refreshing and tasty ginger ale. Now I've used soda for this recipe, but you can also use water and make this drink. Now this ginger syrup can be refrigerated for up to a month, and definitely you can enjoy this. I'm sure everyone will love this, so do try this recipe and enjoy. You can get a copy of our first edition of the home cooking book on 21 Frames.